Ka HSPDP kalako bakal election jong ke NPP kan omla satiaban kring yakinongelam barat ba jong ka party kumba kala kring yakinongelam nakiwe pat ki party dakabako ba on omdon weiru MLA na ka party man kinti shakiwe ki party nakaliang jong u president ka HSPDP uba KP Pangniang uloong bakinod man ko baditang kinongelam HSPDP ki badon ya kanongrim kabaskem.
The HSPDP party as of now, it is the only party that you have seen, as you have mentioned, that we maintain the discipline of the whole functionary of the party. At the same time, we see no harm. As somebody saying that maybe from SPDP MLA will jump ship to other parties. No, that it will not happen in our party. So this 2020 election, it is the beginning, as I mentioned earlier, that the HSPDP will multiply its members, will plus the number of the members of either of the MLA of the Legislative Assembly or the District Council, and it is the beginning that will rebuild and restructuring the party.